Good morning, welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today recipe is a tea time snack. It is a crispy crunchy bread pakoda, and this is a super snack and a simple snack that can be carried to office goers, school childrens. They can just eat it in the oven in the office and just consume it. It is super yummy pakoda. So the ingredients required to do are crispy crunchy bread pakoda is I have taken 6 slices of bread. You can take any bread of your choice, either milk or sweet or multigrain bread. I have taken multigrain bread. This is completely your choice. Followed with onions, tomato, green chilli, bell pepper of any color that you prefer, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. I have taken corn flour, tomato ketchup 1 tablespoon, followed with rice flour. You can either take rice flour or wheat flour. It's completely your choice. But corn flour just 2 tablespoons, followed with any flour of your choice. So let us get into the video on how to make our crispy crunchy bread pakoda. Crispy bread pakoda. The first step is take the bread slices and just dip it in the water. All the bread needs to be dipped into water, and squeeze the water nicely and keep it in a wider bowl. To the squeezed bread, we need to add all the ingredients one by one. So starting with our onions, I've chopped the onions 3 small numbers, so you can add as per the bread quantity you take, followed with 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 green chilli, followed with our bell pepper. You can add the colored one, it will look very colorful. I've already measured and kept 2 tablespoons of corn flour, followed with 1/4 cup of rice flour. You can take, as I said, rice flour or wheat flour. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Followed with soya sauce, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Then we are going to season it with our required amount of salt. Now mix everything well. We have mixed all the ingredients and our bread pakoda dough is ready. Ensure you do not add any water into this, as we are having our tomato and sliced bread pieces which was in the water squeezed. So water content is already there. Do not add any water while making this dough. So now grease your hand with oil and we need to start frying our bread pakodas. The oil is heated in the non-stick pan. I have just greased the hand with little oil and just make small ball or whichever shape you wanted and start frying our bread pakodas. So you need to fry the bread pakoda until it is golden brown in color. So friend, you can find our brown crispy bread pakoda is almost ready to be served hot and it can be displayed. Here goes our lovely crispy crunchy bread pakoras. So please do try this recipe. It's such a simple recipe with our in-house ingredient. Do not add any vegetables other than what was told, so that it comes out with a nice yummy taste. So please do try this recipe. So you can find how crispy and crunchy our bread pakoda is. Capsicum blended with our onions. It is so very nice. So please try this recipe. You can have it with either tomato ketchup or just like that. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye bye.